students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Sit down, students.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Students, today we are covering business environment. Yes, ma'am. Okay, Monty, first question you will be telling. What is business environment?
Ma'am, business environment means the sum total of all individuals, institutions and other forces which are outside the control of business enterprise, but these can affect the performance of the business.
Ma'am, business environment can be internal or external. Internal is also called specific environment and external is also called general environment. Okay, Lena, you also tell me what is included in general environment and in specific environment? Ma'am, in specific environment, those groups or parties are included which directly affect the business like consumer groups, competitors, courts. These are particularly related to the particular business enterprise. It can include government also. It can include any other bank or any other institution also. Good. Now, who will tell me the features of business environment?
Ma'am, I will tell. Number 1, totality of external forces. Second is specific and general forces. Number 3, interrelatedness. Number 4, dynamic nature. Number 5, uncertainty. Number 6, complexity. Number 7, relativity.
Okay, Monty, will you be able to explain all these points?
Ma'am, yes. Ma'am, I'll revise it again.
Okay, next comes importance of business environment. Lena, are you ready for this? Ma'am, yes. I have learnt all these points. Number 1, it enables the firm to identify opportunities and getting the first mover advantage. Number 2, it helps the firm to identify threats and early warning signals. Number 3, it helps in assisting in planning and policy formulation. Number 4, it helps in coping with rapid changes. Number 5, it helps in tapping useful resources. Number 6, it helps in improving performance. Very good, Lena. Next, we are going to cover dimensions of business environment. Who will tell me about dimensions of business environment?
Ma'am, I will explain dimensions of business environment.
Okay, just tell me the names of various dimensions of business environment.
Ma'am, these are PESTEL. P for political environment, E for economic environment, T for technological environment, S for social environment, and L for legal environment. PESTEL.
Very good, Monty. This is very creative way of learning the points.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Lena will explain what is included in economic environment, social environment, technological environment, political environment and legal environment. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first economic environment. Economic environment includes interest rate, inflation rate, value of rupee, stock market indices, changes in disposable income of people, supply of the things, volume of imports and exports, money supply in the economy, balance of payments position, public debt, agricultural production, industrial production, expansion of transportation in the country, planned outlay in private and public sector, etc. Good. Now social environment. When social environment means factors like customs and traditions, values, social trends and society's expectations from business. Then next is technological environment. Technological environment includes scientific improvements and innovations of producing the goods and services in a new way and creating new methods and techniques of running the business. Good. Remaining two will be taken by Monty. Monty, you explain these two.
Yes, ma'am. Then fourth is political environment. And political environment includes general stability and peace in the country and specific attitudes that elected government representatives hold towards business. It means all the philosophies of ruling party as well as opposition party will be included in political environment. Then last one is legal environment. Legal environment means all the legislations passed by the government, administrative orders issued by government authorities, court judgments, decisions taken by various commissions and agencies of the government.
Okay, Monty and Lena, you were fully prepared for the chapter today. Very good. I am very happy. Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now I will give you some cases. You have to identify the dimension of business environment for all these cases one by one. Yes, ma'am. Stock market indices.
Ma'am, economic environment.
General stability and peace in the country.
Ma'am, political environment.
New methods of operating the business. Ma'am, technological environment. Customs and traditions. Social environment. Attitude towards product innovations. Social environment. Scientific improvements and innovations.
Technological environment.
Balance of payments and changes in foreign exchange reserves. Economic environment. Monty and Lena, you again answered all the questions right. I am very happy. Thank you, ma'am. So tomorrow you come prepared with planning chapter.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, students. Thank you, viewers.